Another advantage of installing wheel studs, as we've just discovered, is when you shear off the bolts that hold the rotor onto the hub.
Which we didn't do.
Which we didn't do. The car came pre-sheared. The studs will now hold up our rotors. This is a StopTech Sport rotor that I am blindly putting on here. And look at that. Boom. Right on the hub. She can't get off there now. Obviously, you guys know about StopTech. This is their sport line of rotor, which is a high quality rotor. Certainly capable of surviving track duty, as we've discovered on several of our other cars. We're going to equip it with a sport brake pad too, which I think should be more than sufficient for drifting duties, although we'd be curious to hear in the comment section what you guys use for brake pads on your drift cars, if you like a really aggressive, high mu race pad, or you prefer a more progressive pedal feel out of more of a street pad. We're really not too sure what the hot setup is for you hot boys out there, so let us know about it. We're going to stick with the sport pad, which we know can take some track duty, but it's still a very
and it's got good initial bite.
Good initial bite, and it's still perfectly friendly on the street. It's not super dusty or anything like that. So we think it's a really good street track pad. So that's what we're going with there. So other cool thing about these rotors is they come in what they call pre-installation ready condition, meaning I don't have to clean them, even though my hands are pretty clean. So I think we're pretty good to go here. All we have to do now is bolt up the calipers and install those brake pads.